Hi there, I'm Dr. Janice Johnston, Medical Director with Redirect Health. And today I wanted to talk to you about coronavirus testing. It's all over the news right now about getting tested and that it might be the CDC's recommendation and government to get tested. But I do want to let you know that testing supplies are still quite limited. There are a lot of doctors' offices that have no testing capability or even just have minimal testing capability. The only real reason to get tested is to know specifically that you have coronavirus so that you can quarantine appropriately. So if you do think that you're starting to feel ill or running a fever and you don't have access to get the testing that you think that you might need, my best advice for you right now would be just to keep yourself at home and do all the measures that you would normally do to try to keep yourself well. Take your Tylenol, ibuprofen, get a lot of rest and fluids. The turnaround test time is currently about 4 to 5 days, so even if you were to be tested, you will not get a result for about 4 to 5 days. That's the current situation right now. So I want you to also keep in mind that depending on where you live, there may be very, very few cases that have been identified. Here in Arizona, where I live, there's only been 9 so far. So I would expect that the testing supplies will probably go to areas where they've been seeing more cases, like New York or Los Angeles, those kinds of places as well too. Also keep in mind that your doctor's office is busy right now. We're busy seeing coughs and colds and the flu, which of course is still really, really quite common, and we're still seeing that. So we're also busy doing that. What I would suggest to you is to use telemedicine, telehealth for that, because that way you can speak to a knowledgeable doctor or provider on the phone who can direct your care and give you common sense advice of what you need to do right now. And oftentimes they'll be able to treat you and give you a prescription over the phone so that you don't need to leave the house and you can get the care that you need. I know you all want to be confident in knowing that you're doing the right thing. I want you to use your head, use some common sense, okay? If you're feeling ill, just stay home. And lastly, just be kind and supportive of each other. It's really important right now. There's a lot of fear out there. There's some insecurities out there. Let's just be really, really kind and understanding of each other.